All right, friends, welcome back to day number 7,368 of this DIY bathroom renovation. Well, maybe not that long, but you get the point. It's taken a while. But we are making progress, so I've got the tile wall grouted, and I'm using backer rod to fill in these gaps because I could have scribed the tiles. I should have scribed the tiles, but I didn't scribe the tiles. So this backer rod and a non-contrasting grout is gonna save the day. Then I just use my patented shove and smear grouting technique, which I'm sure any tiling professional is gonna tell you the same thing is the most efficient way to get this done. And then we turn to painting, which we're gonna make some bold decisions and paint the ceiling the same color as the walls. Because my wife's favorite color is white, we're gonna push her out of her comfort zone just a little bit and go with a beige. Then with the lights pushed back into the ceiling, it's finally starting to look like a bathroom again. But we still have quite a bit of work to do.